The Atlanta Hawks, despite resting some of their key players in this game, they spanked the Cleveland Cavaliers. There goes another touchdown pass from Kevin Love. Don't you love it when he does that? That is some cheese. He is the only player in the league consistently making that full court pass. Kyrie dancing, getting going here in the first quarter. Just the other night, the Atlanta Hawks, they dropped 71 points on the Boston Celtics. And that was just in the first half of that game. They blew them out, and we were talking about how the Celtics, they might have missed their chance of getting that first seed. But here's another shocker. You see the Cavs are already down here in the second quarter, even though Kyle Korver is going to make it splash. That was nothing but net. LeBron, the dish into the corner. Kevin Love. All of a sudden, they're right back in the game. But why were they struggling in the first place? They have the lead, so that means the Cavs blew a lead. Kyrie gets into the lane. Then off the cut, what a pass to LeBron James, who throws it down ferociously. How do you lose this game right here? With the Hawks resting key players, Dunleavy, they traded him. That's how they lost. Remember, they made the trade earlier in the season. Tim Hardaway Jr., the crossover to finish. All of a sudden, the Hawks have the lead. Junior again. Knocking it down from three. LeBron passes. Love blows the layup. And it's off to the races. He almost loses it. But he's going to go ahead and dish it. What's this? Why did Tim Hardaway Jr. get that slam? What is going on in Cleveland? The Hawks mean business and they blow out the Cavs. LeBron is not happy. The Boston Celtics are in a rough spot. They lost their last game against the Cavs. They got blown out going for the first seed. And then in this game, they allowed the Atlanta Hawks to score 71 points in the first half, shooting 54% from the field.